If you have never made authentic Middle Eastern fattoush, you are missing out on one of summer's best salads. It is crisp, colorful, tangy, and comes together in minutes. Let's make fattoush salad. We're starting with 1 sliced cucumber. Then cut 1 green bell pepper into medium-sized cubes. Next, 1 tomato, I'll cut it into medium-sized cubes. One thing I love about fattoush is that there is no one single right combination of veggies. Every family makes it a little differently, but the fresh dressing and crispy pita are what tie it all together. But I believe this is more into the traditional way. To that, add half a red onion sliced into thin julienne strips. Then slice 1 radish in half first, then into thin slices to get that nice half-moon shape. Chop a few green onions. And lastly, about 2 cups of lettuce. I like to chop it a little smaller so we don't end up with those really long lettuce strips. Now add all the veggies to a large bowl. What really makes fattoush stands out is its bright, tangy dressing. So let's make a delicious, simple dressing for fattoush. First, add the juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sumac. If you have been watching me for a while, you are probably already familiar with sumac. It has that bright citrusy flavor that gives this salad its signature tang. Whisk everything really well together, then pour it over the salad. Give it a quick taste and adjust everything to your liking. Now there's one thing we need, and it is what takes this salad to the next level: the crispy pita. So let's make it. Take 1 pita bread and cut it into small cubes. I actually prefer using a kitchen scissors instead of a knife. It makes it much easier. Now I know not everyone has pita bread. If you don't, croutons work too. But I want to show you the traditional version, which uses crispy pita bread. Now that our pita is cut into cubes, drizzle in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Massage the bread so that the olive oil gets into every single piece. Add 1 teaspoon of dried mint. You could also use oregano or thyme, along with a little salt and black pepper. Give everything a good mix until every piece is coated in all the seasoning. Then air fry until it is golden and crispy, flipping it halfway through. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to give this video a like. Now it is time for the best part, serving the salad, and you definitely don't want to skip this part. Add the salad to a serving plate, then top it with the crispy pita, sprinkle over about 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds, then finish it with 1 tablespoon of pomegranate molasses. Just like that, you have got yourself a delicious, satisfying fattoush salad that is fresh, crunchy, and full of flavor. Actually, I'd love to know if you have ever tried fattoush salad. Let me know in the comments below. And if you have never tried it, this video is a sign for you to try it today. This was the last salad in my 7 days of salad series. If you missed any of the recipes from this series, they are all waiting for you in my 7 days of salad playlist. I'd love for you to check them out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.